What's happening, guys? Nash doing a little Louisiana digging. Found this one just a little bit ago. I didn't actually get to film it because I actually thought it was a chip. When I pulled it out, it almost got put in my chip bucket. But it's a awesome little birdie. It is super small, super thin. It's probably one of the best made points I have. Probably I think the second or third bird point I've ever found. But it is a killer. It's got nice serrations on it, nice needle tip on it. It's got a little wing ding on both sides, but it's still a prize. But we're getting close to wrapping it up, so we're gonna give it a few more minutes. So hopefully we'll be back.